guys, so today I'm going to be showing you some fun DIYs you can do as a Christian if you're looking to grow your faith. And these are just fun things that I love to do, and it really helps with like mental health, encouragement, and confidence. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video and let's just get right into it. So the first DIY is writing out biblical affirmations and sticking them all around your mirror, whether it's in your bedroom or in the bathroom. And this just really helps with confidence in yourself, but also in God. And then just meditating on scripture throughout the day. This really helped me a lot, and it also helped me learn a lot of different verses too, so I really like this idea. Another thing that I really love doing to spend time with God is Bible journaling. I used to do a lot of bullet journaling. I'm sure you remember some of those videos, but this one is just like a really fun way to like express your art, but also just spend time with God. It's also just really relaxing to me and a fun way for me to like memorize my favorite verses and things that stick out to me as I'm reading the Bible. I can add pictures to it, so yeah, I would recommend this idea. So this next one is actually called A Jar of Joy, and it's filled with all of my favorite verses that can help me like whenever I'm feeling down, depressed, anxious, sad, mad, whatever it is. There's like a verse for everything. You can just write different verses in there and fill it up, and then if ever you're having a bad day, you can pick one out. So yeah, I really love this idea. And you can decorate the jar any way you want to. I just decided to get some of my scrapbooking stuff out, and yeah, this is what I came up with. This next idea is for anyone who struggles with anxiety or worrying. I know I struggle with that a lot, so I thought this idea was perfect because it's just a little box that you can decorate, and it's just for yourself, and everything that goes in it is just between you and God. And you can just write letters to God, like whatever you're feeling or struggling with that day. It's pretty much like journaling or writing a prayer, and you just stick it in the box. It definitely helps release anything that you're feeling or worrying about, and afterwards, like, you feel a lot better. So yeah, I would recommend trying it out, and it turned out really cute too, so that one was kind of a fun one for me. So this idea is actually called a prayer board. I've been wanting to make one of these for a while now. I did like a vision board a while ago, but this one I thought was a really neat idea. So basically I just got all of my scrapbooking stuff out and I just went crazy. And I kind of wanted it to go with my room too, since I have like a beach theme. So I found these little like envelopes. They were actually from when I graduated, but it came in handy because I had a lot left over. And then I found these stickers with verses on it, which I thought went really well. So I did some of those. And then I cut out a whole bunch of letters that spells prayer board, and it seemed too plain to me, so I used my washi tape and kind of decorated it with that. And then I just wrote out my favorite verse, since I wanted that on there so I can read it every day. It's Philippians 4:6-7. That verse has really helped me out a lot lately, so I love it a lot. But yeah, I just added all of that to my little board, and I think it turned out really cute. Basically how it works is like you can just add like prayers into the envelope, and then if they're answered, then move them over to the answered envelope. I haven't really used it yet, but I really like the idea, so I'm gonna try a few. It's kind of for fun, but also I'm going to use this board, so yeah. I think it turned out really cute. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and you try out all of these ideas. Please give this a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!